Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving your work and closing any files that depend on the add-on. Open Blender, then go straight to Edit Right Arrow Preferences, Right Arrow Add-ons. You search for the add-on by its exact name so you avoid removing similar entries. Once found, disable it with the checkbox to stop it from running. This prevents immediate conflicts. Once done, make sure Blender responds normally. Disabling first lets you confirm behavior before full removal, which reduces the chance of corrupting user settings. With the add-on disabled, click its entry to reveal details and note the module path. This tells you where the file's live. You can click Remove in the add-on panel if available, which unregisters and deletes installed files. If Remove is absent, close Blender and delete the add-on folder or Pi file from your user scripts folder or the add-ons directory. Be careful to delete the correct module. Once removed, restart Blender so Python unloads the module, and you can confirm the add-on is gone. You finish by verifying the add-on no longer appears in preferences and that any toolbar panels or menu entries are gone. If Blender still shows errors or traces, open the system console to read import errors and find leftover file paths, then delete those files and restart. If your UI or key maps broke, restore your saved user preferences or the backup user pref. Blend you made earlier. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, reinstall the add-on and use the Remove button to let Blender
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.